So I don't have a mattress for my crib yet, so I can't show it to you guys on the mattress in the crib, but you guys get the idea. It's definitely been a little hard for me to keep track of, but we are moving along here. This is going to basically be the changing dresser. So I'll have a changing pad on here, which is on its way, not here quite yet. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Esperanza. I am a full-time content creator and blogger, and I am expecting my first baby. I am in my 3rd trimester, in the 7th month, getting very close to the 8th month of my pregnancy, which is just crazy. So those of you who have been following along with my pregnancy journey know that I am now a single mom. Unfortunately, my partner of 10 years and I split 2 months back, which was very difficult for me to have to go through during my pregnancy. If you guys are interested in knowing a little bit more about that situation, I will link that video for you guys. So I have been trying to stay as happy and as positive as possible for my baby, and a big part of that has actually been being able to get my nursery together. I am currently living with my parents who are retired in Phoenix, Arizona, and they had a second spare bedroom that is actually big enough for me to have a bedroom and a nursery area in. So I am very thankful for that, very thankful for their support, because I know that not all single moms who have been in a similar situation as me have family that they can rely on or go to for help in a situation like this. So I am very fortunate and very blessed. So a few weeks back, I actually shared the part 1 of my baby haul. So if you guys missed it, I will link it for you guys. But I am now trying to film part 2. I will share as many things as I possibly can in this video. Things are still a little bit of a mess, and I'm trying to find a home for things, putting things together. So I'll try to show you guys as much as I can in this haul. So first up, I have a few products from Dagny Dover, which I wanted to share with you guys. The first of which is this diaper bag. So this is in their camel brown color, I believe. So it looks like leather, but it's actually not. It is a material called neoprene, and it seems like it would be a very easy to wipe down material, which you definitely want for a diaper bag. So there are several compartments inside the bag, sleeves and things like that. And it also includes a small changing pad, portable changing pad, and a zippered pouch to put small items in. Lots of compartments inside, and lots of like zipper compartments on the outside of the backpack as well. On the side, you can put a baby bottle there. This side as well. So this is such an essential, and I think it looks so good. Love that camel brown color. So that matches my hospital bag. So here is the hospital bag, which also has a lot of compartments inside. And then this is actually a larger portable changing pad, which I definitely saw a lot of moms suggesting this as a more must-have, registry must-have, baby must-have in general, was a portable changing pad. So I'll show that to you guys in a second. And here is the hospital bag. So it's kind of like a weekender bag style. And it does have a sleeve in the back. And then there are several compartments inside on the sides. It also comes with this little zipper bag here, which you could put like toiletries in. And I figured that this would be great for a hospital bag, but I could definitely also use this for trips that I go on, travels. So this will be super useful even after giving birth to baby. Okay, so really quickly, here is the portable changing pad. So this one is a regular size, whereas the one that comes with the diaper bag is actually a smaller size. So here's what that looks like. So you can lay your baby down here. This is like a wipeable material so that you can change them. It's more sanitary than putting them on the like diaper changing stations that you'd find at stores, places like that. And it has lots of compartments to store items in. And this part, it looks like, I just realized, actually comes unzipped. So you can unzip it so that this part is detached from the changing pad while you're changing your baby. So that is amazing, super functional. And they actually sent them in these great bags that you can store them in to keep them safe. Okay, so I just unboxed this package from Solly Baby, and I have two items to share with you guys here. This is their crib sheet, which I picked out in kind of like a neutral gray and white stripe pattern. So I don't have a mattress for my crib yet, so I can't show it to you guys on the mattress in the crib, but you guys get the idea. And this material is so soft. I guess it's 100% tensile modal. So that will be great. And then I also picked out their wrap, in their, I don't see the color name on here, but I basically just picked out this very like neutral beige color. And here is what the wrap looks like. And this was actually a must-have on a lot of moms' YouTube videos that I watched. I've definitely watched quite a few as far as getting my baby registry checklist together. So their products are actually made out of sustainable and biodegradable yarn, which is amazing, for use with infants 8 to 25 pounds. So I don't want to unbox these right now, you guys, just because, like I said, I'm still finding places for things. So it's better to just keep them in the boxes for now until I actually need to go and use them, which won't be until baby gets here. But just wanted to show those to you guys really quickly. I definitely plan on doing a lot of baby wearing, so this will be a must-have for doing chores around the house and like being able to wear the baby while getting stuff done. Okay, so next up is the Baby Brezza Safe and Smart bottle warmer. So this is definitely something that I saw quite a few times as a must-have, but then I also know that, like, obviously if you're on the go or something like that, like going out to eat at a restaurant, maybe traveling, you might not have a bottle warmer, and in that case you would maybe like ask for some hot water to put your baby bottle in. But for being at home, I thought that the convenience of this definitely made it worth it. So I am hoping to be able to breastfeed my baby, but obviously, hopefully I'll have enough of a supply to where I'll have a few bottles stocked up in the fridge. And then in that case, being able to use this to warm the bottles up will be super nice. So it is safe and smart, so so you can operate it from an app on your phone, which is very convenient. You can literally use it from your bed or the nursery, whatever. So I'll probably have this either set up in the kitchen or maybe I'll have it set up here on my dresser. That way I can use it from the bedroom. Not 100% sure, so that is why I am not unboxing this quite yet, but just wanted to share it with you guys. Okay, so next up is this diaper pail from Ubi. So similar to like a diaper genie. So you can slide this closed, slide it open, and it has a lock here. And I actually just have this right next to my dresser, which this is going to basically be the changing dresser. So I'll have a changing pad on here, which is on its way, not here quite yet. So I'll just have this right next to the side of it. That way it's super easy and convenient for throwing diapers in there through the night and then obviously take them out the next day, that kind of thing. But just for the convenience of not having to like run out to the trash every time I change baby's diaper. So love this. I picked it out in this kind of like cream off-white color, which I think looks really good with the decor in my nursery and in my bedroom. Ubi was also kind enough to send me their 75 pack of diaper bags, trash bags for the diaper pail. They also sent this wipes dispenser, which I could have here on my changing dresser, and on the go wipes dispenser in this gray color. This little two-step stool will definitely come in handy once baby is potty training. So this is for a little bit further down the line. And then they also sent me this bottle drying rack. So you can put your bottles on these. It has like a drip tray, and then I think you can just put like your cleaning supplies, sponges, things like that in here. So this is white and gray, so this will definitely come in handy and will just go in the kitchen. It's white and gray, so it would go with most kitchen interiors. I also have a toilet trainer, so the toilet trainer and the stepping stool will be for a little later on down the line. So that was super generous of Ubi to send me all of those extra items. It's always good to get things checked off the list. Okay, so I also have 3 pieces of furniture here in the nursery that I wanted to share with you guys. The dresser and the crib are actually from Da 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 Baby. I hope I'm saying that right, or it could be Da 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 Baby. Basically, it's DADADA Baby, and they have such cute cribs and dressers and gliders actually, and much more. So I have their Soho crib and dresser here, which I think coordinate together so perfectly, and especially with the rest of the nursery. I actually had somebody come out and set those up for me, which was really nice because then I was finally able to start decorating my nursery, getting it together. So like I said, I still need a crib mattress and a changing pad for the dresser. And then over here is my nursery glider from Delta Children. So it is a swivel glider and it does recline as well. I picked it out in this cream color. So everything in the nursery is basically neutrals, earth tones. Might change it up a little bit, change things around. Still not sure because I am still in the process of decorating, but this is what the nursery looks like for now. And those are 3 must-haves that I wanted to share with you guys: the crib, the changing table, dresser, and the nursing chair glider. So I definitely wanted to include these in my baby haul, and like I said, they were already unboxed and set up for me so that I could start getting my nursery room together. And I absolutely love these pieces. Also, here is a look at my 7.5-month belly. I think I am at 30 weeks, possibly almost 31. It's definitely been a little hard for me to keep track of, but we are moving along here. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. So a lot of these items are definitely good things to add to your baby registry, baby checklist if you guys are watching my video doing some research because you are pregnant and expecting a baby of your own. Some are definitely more necessary than others. I will probably be doing a couple of videos later on down the line of must-haves, like newborn must-haves, pregnancy must-haves, things that I thought were definitely worth it and things that weren't as worth it, just kind of more convenient. So I'll probably be doing videos like that later on down the line, but for now I know that I'm definitely planning on doing a nursery room tour. I may or may not do another, like a part 3 to this baby haul, because there definitely are more things that I didn't get around to sharing with you guys. I'm also having a baby shower soon, so I'll have quite a few things that I'll want to share with you guys from that as well. So check back for those videos if you guys are interested. Also make sure that you are following along with me on all socials at The Urban Darling. Check out my blog, theurbandarling.com, for more lifestyle content. And if you guys are not subscribed already, please make sure that you are subscribed, that you turn on your bell notifications. And if you guys know of anyone that you think would enjoy my channel as well, please be sure to share it with them. That way you guys can help me grow my YouTube channel. Any support that you guys can give me is much appreciated, especially because I am now a single mom and I rely on my blog and my social media platforms to make money for not only myself, but also my baby who will be born early next year. I also want to say that I am very thankful and very fortunate that my job allows me to be able to work with these brands, to share these products with you guys, to be able to use these products for my baby. These brands were able to send me these products via PR in exchange for social media coverage, sharing these products with you guys. So that's really allowed me to be able to check off so many things off of my registry, my checklist, which I'm very thankful for, because honestly, having a baby is very expensive, especially doing it as a single mom. So I really needed all the help that I could get. So very, very thankful for that. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye.